Looks like you can learn new things every day. I'm currently in the process of, well, trying to fix an Xbox for a friend of Amanda's. It seems he's getting the lovely red ring of death. Although his doesn't look to be the main general one, the overheating one. Here, see the 3 lights flashing. It's apparently a hardware. I didn't know this, but apparently you can actually get diagnostic codes from this thing. I'm gonna try to do it somehow with just one hand. But you can actually get diagnostic codes that'll tell you what the problem is. See, started flashing, and then push button. It starts flashing the first part of the code. Do it again. Second part of the code. Do it again. Third part of the code. One last time. Last part of the, wait, what? Wait. I think it just changed the error code on me. Hold on. Yeah, it did. Oh, shit. That's not good. The first time I tried this, it gave me this code, but I think it just spat me a whole different code. Well, shit. Now I gotta write stuff down. Alright, let's try this again. Part 1. Yeah, it is. It's a completely different code. Alright, so... I gotta redo this shit. This one's quadrant 1, and then is all 4. Next is top 2, and last is 3. But anyways, it's actually kind of cool. I didn't know you could do that before, but apparently if you do the little sync button, the little white button on the front of it, and then press the eject button, it will shoot diagnostic codes that can kind of give you an idea as to what the problem may be. The first time was 0102, which apparently is roughly a memory error from what I saw. And I don't know what this one is, so now I gotta look this shit up. What the fuck? If my... Oh, you know what? That's bland. Alright, so the new one is... Let's see, 1 light flashing is 1, 4 lights flashing is 0, 2 lights flashing is number 2, 3 lights flashing is 3. So now the new code is 1023, 1023, see error E75, error E75. Ethernet error. Could not read Ethernet 5. No, I think that's an unrelated error, because if it was having a problem with the Ethernet, I don't see why it would be not booting. I mean, it wouldn't go on the network, but at least it would boot up, which it's not even doing that now. So anyway, I'm going to do some more research, but I found it rather interesting that you can actually get diagnostic codes from it. So if your Xbox breaks, pro tip.